Hi guys, I just wanted to talk to you about this week's work. So we are on week May 4 through 8th. And basically, I just want to thank you so much for your patience during this time and your hard work. I know it hasn't been easy, and you can be really proud of yourself. I'm very proud of the work that you put forward. Know that I'm here to help. You can always reach out to me via email or text or phone call. And I just want to say what a pleasure it's been to get to know each of you. And if you need anything in the future, a letter of recommendation, just anything, please feel free to call me. Please know that I have been privileged to be your teacher, and we've gone through some difficult times together, so you guys will always hold a special place in my heart, and I wish you the very best. As far as this week goes, you will need to submit the final copy of your argumentative essay, and that will be on Monday. My apologies. It will say Monday. And then Friday, I'd like for you to complete a survey. It just helps me become a better teacher. Every year I try to improve on strategies and improve. As far as normally I would allow you to do revisions, I just can't grade that many essays and rough drafts at the same time. So you can click on this extra credit and you can submit it, and you can answer one of the following questions. It needs to be, Times New Roman 12-point font, double spaced, a one-page paper answering one of these questions, and I'll add points to your essay. Please know that all work has to be turned in by Friday, May 8th. After that, I have to put in grades. So please make sure that you do that. I'm willing to work with you until then. And if you need anything, please reach out to me. Thank you so much for a wonderful semester. I wish you all the very best.